Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Swift card so it works instantly at the gate. Tap into your app or kiosk, confirm balance and registration, and top up the exact fare or a pass. Make sure the card is not bent or demagnetized. Physical damage causes read failures. Once done, hold the card like a credit card, flat and centered, and keep a screenshot of balance or transaction ID for quick proof if needed. You board by approaching the reader and positioning the card over the reader's center. Tap flat for about 1 second and wait for the beep or green light. This confirms a successful read. If multiple readers exist, use the one marked for contactless payments. Make sure you don't cover the card with metal or a phone. Interference causes declines. If using a mobile wallet, wake the screen and select the correct card before tapping to speed validation. Finish your trip by tapping out when required so the system calculates the correct fare and avoids maximum charges. Check your app for the transaction and keep a screenshot for 24 to 72 hours in case of disputes. If a tap fails, try the same reader once more, then try a different reader or show the driver your receipt. If problems persist, contact customer service with the transaction ID and time. They can reverse or adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.